Folding electric bikes once seemed a great way to revolutionize urban commuting. With promising models like the Rad Expand 5 and the Aventon Cinch. 2, these portable e-bikes offered a blend of convenience and eco-friendly transport. High-end options like the sleek Go Cycle G4 and the Turn Vectron further expanded the market's potential. Yet, despite their innovative designs and the backing of respected brands, folding e-bikes haven't quite pedaled their way into the mainstream. In this video, we'll unpack the reasons behind this unexpected stall in the folding e-bike section. From technical limitations to market dynamics, we'll explore why these bikes failed to capture the market. So, let's get started. Weight. Weight is perhaps the most significant hurdle preventing folding e-bikes from achieving mainstream success. Despite being marketed as portable and convenient, many models are surprisingly heavy. For instance, the Rad Expand 5 by Rad Power Bikes tips the scales at a whopping 62.5 pounds without accessories. The Aventon Cinch. 2 comes in at a hefty 68 pounds. This substantial weight makes these bikes challenging to maneuver, fold, and carry. Folding e-bikes often outweigh their full-sized counterparts, contradicting their compact design's purpose. While some models like the Turn Vectron S10 are lighter at 48.7 pounds, they're still considerably heavier than traditional bicycles. The weight issue significantly impacts the bike's practicality, making them less appealing for commuting or storage in small urban spaces. Complexity. The complexity of folding e-bikes often outweighs their perceived benefits. Many users find themselves rarely utilizing the folding feature due to the bike's cumbersome weight. Folding e-bikes are mechanically more complicated than traditional bicycles, with additional moving parts and electronics. This difficulty not only makes maintenance and repairs more challenging but also increases the likelihood of mechanical issues over time. The folding mechanism, while innovative, compromises structural integrity, making these bikes less suitable for aggressive riding styles. Furthermore, the folding design often forces compromises in other areas. It can limit battery capacity and range, affect cable routing, and result in less aesthetically pleasing designs with external components. Cost. While the folding e-bike market is expected to grow by $163.7 million in the coming years, the price range remains a barrier for many consumers. Entry-level models, often targeting first-time buyers, are priced at the lower end of the spectrum but may compromise on build quality and ergonomics. High-quality, lightweight options come at a premium. For instance, the Brompton electric lineup starts at around $4,000, while the Go Cycle G4i series is priced at $4,999. More affordable options like the Rad Expand 5 are available at $1,249, offering a balance of features and cost. Still, it's a lot compared to traditional bikes. This price range reflects the trade-offs between cost, weight, and quality. While folding e-bikes aim to offer versatility and convenience, their higher price point compared to traditional bicycles remains a significant obstacle for widespread adoption. Other reasons. Beyond cost and weight, several other factors hinder folding e-bikes' mainstream adoption. For fitness enthusiasts, e-bikes may seem counterproductive to exercise goals. The longer return on investment period for e-bikes is less appealing than quickly recouping costs with a regular bicycle. Security concerns make e-bikes less convenient for casual urban use compared to cheaper traditional bikes. Battery life is a significant issue, akin to range anxiety in electric cars. Users worry about the charge lasting for entire trips, especially on longer journeys. This concern can limit the perceived utility and reliability of folding e-bikes for daily commuting or extended rides. Final thoughts. While folding electric bikes offer a creative solution for mobility, several factors have hindered their mainstream adoption. The combination of high costs, excessive weight, mechanical complexity, and range limitations has created significant barriers for potential users. Despite these challenges, the market continues to grow, suggesting there's still interest in the concept. As technology advances and designs improve, we may see folding e-bikes overcome these obstacles. Future models could potentially offer lighter frames, longer battery life, and more affordable price points. However, for now, traditional bicycles and regular e-bike options continue to dominate. Only time will tell if the folding e-bike industry can eventually pedal its way into widespread acceptance. That's all for today. What do you think of folding electric bikes? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.